Welcome to another video on my Raspberry Pi 3B combined with the PiXtend PLC, Programmable Logic Control. In the past videos I have tried to connect via the serial cable, trying to connect via 5 volts digital input to get LEDs working, via digital output to get motors working, also to get relay working via and show it by means of an LED, by means of oscilloscope probes, and most of the time it doesn't work quite as well as I had hoped. Then I hoped that I had made the mistake with soldering everything or anything. Turned out not to be the case. So now the idea is what to do. Well, one is to connect a mouse and a keyboard with not with and HDMI cable to a monitor. That will be this monitor, but you can see this inactivity light, so that doesn't help much. Neither a keyboard nor mouse does do anything. Then another thing what I want to try again is Codesys. On the website for PiXtend they say Codesys does work. The only problem is Codesys is a Windows program and I'm using Linux, Fedora Linux, latest version. So who knows, that is going to work. So let's pay some attention to that one. Right, the laptop with all screens again. Virtual network computing for Python and terminal. Of course, the camera view for the Raspberry Pi PLC and electronics board, 5 volts and 24 and 12 volts. Since I don't have 24 volts. Camera for oscilloscope. This is SSH. No, actually, yes, it is. This is SSH towards this IP address, which is for the Raspberry Pi. Without this, I cannot access it because of the VNC server. Then what I was talking about, Codesys install shoot. It should take this as well. Visual C++. I'm not sure what it will do, but let's just see. Install. Oh wow. Yes. Accept. Go. Well, I'm the only user of that machine. Let's do this. I don't mind. Go. Install. Now I'm very curious what will happen. Will it actually do for Codesys? And it's prematurely. Okay. now it goes for Codesys. Code meter was something, now I recall, I don't need it. But I hope that Codesys still will install. It's a very much used system for using PLCs. So now I wonder what happened. Something here? Oh, there comes Codesys again. Question is now, what do I look at? Does it request output? If so, which? Because I can't see it. Okay. I guess it's requesting input from me. I have no idea. Start again? I guess so. Okay, despite that Codesys is no longer visible, it's still running. So I'm a little bit surprised about that. Here is nothing to see. So I think I am going to see for here, nothing there. But I can. There are simply no windows open. So yeah, I'm going to kill it. 4397. And 3948. Message process. Yeah, alright. Is wine still running? It's not. That means that I'm going to try again. And hopefully this time with a better result. And code meter I will cancel. Yes. Finish. Hopefully there's not a dependency of Codesys. And I'm afraid it is. Okay. Going back. And program load. So I will have to do it. Despite the fact that, according to my information, it's not necessary to have it. Okay, next, accept, next, next. Oh, wait. Don't install. That's the way. Go. Okay, finish. And now Codesys. I have to keep in mind that this is the one for Codesys. And it stops for now. And it goes. We'll see. It is ready to install Codesys, and for some reason it doesn't. Okay, yeah, I want this. Okay. Not sure what's happening and why, but one of the mysteries of something that is happening on Linux that is meant for Windows, apparently. But I have come further than ever before, so let's see what happens. Okay, cancel this one, but go for this one. Whatever goes. Alright, and while I am waiting for something with wine to happen, again, because I completely killed the whole process, I am also running Python to do something else as well, and running this, it occurred to me and reminded me of last time that when I press this button there should be a digital signal which should light up this LED. So let's see if it actually does do something, and it doesn't light up at all. So if I redo this wire, what will happen then? Then it does. So the wire was in too far. Now it does light up. Can you see it with the light? No, but without the light you can. And now these LEDs are shown. So now the signal does come through, which is a relief for me, because that means that at least that is something that works. Yeah, I can move this. Oh, look at this. Complete and custom. Well, let's do complete. Install. So that is a relief that at least that does work. But then still looking at these signals on the oscilloscope, that doesn't make any sense. Let me also do something on this, because that is the yellow one, and that actually, well, 12 volts is enough. And the rest shows nothing, just flat signals. And look at this LED, which does nothing with from the relay. And this probe is to the, no, I am taking the wrong one. This probe is taking the other signal, which is this one. It doesn't do anything either. So that is not very promising. Alright, the wizard was: the system has not been modified, please reset up again. Is that true? My system was not modified. Let's find in this window. And then program files. And indeed, there is nothing that looks like Codesys. So that's a disappointment. There is no Codesys installed, despite my efforts. Not nice. So, not going on with it right now, but I've come at least a step further. And this is working again. So mysteries, and for the rest, whatever remains. And with this result, I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion. I will try to answer anything. It will be very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your support for the videos and the blog by making a donation via PayPal or Wired. I prefer Wired, which is explained on my website on the donations page. But you can also become a patron, and if you like it, depending on the pledge you make, have your name mentioned on my website or with my videos. This is going to be continued. Or more information under this video, on my social media and on my website, about my website. To be continued. Have a nice day, and bye bye.